Immigration courts. Let me tell you what they're not. They're not the courts that you think of when you think of our judicial system. Our Constitution mandates that the judicial system is a separate but equal part to our democracy, and immigration courts have nothing to do with that. Immigration courts are part of the Justice Department, and immigration judges have a boss who's the Attorney General. As we've seen in recent time, that position can be a highly politicized one.
Following 4 years of the Trump administration, the two attorneys general, Jeff Sessions and Bill Barr, were probably the most political attorneys general in modern history. And we're just uncovering now some of the shenanigans that went on in the Department of Justice generally. And all those things were multiplied in the immigration courts.
There seems to be a consensus that something is wrong with immigration courts. There's no swift justice, the majority of people appear without attorneys, and the backlog of cases has quadrupled in the last decades. What is wrong with the immigration court system today?
Although immigration is technically civil, without committing a crime or being convicted of a crime, people waiting for their immigration court hearings can be detained indefinitely. And this detention often takes place in the most obscure locations along the southern border, far away from legal services. And the conditions of detention, a lot of it is in privately run organizations, are below those that a convicted criminal would be entitled to. Another thing that relates is the lack of modern technology. Again, you mentioned the fact there's a 1.3 million case backlog. The records are all paper records. There is no e-filing system. So things get lost, filings get delayed. If the individual wins the case, the Attorney General can still intervene, take the case and rewrite it so that the government wins, and not only rewrite it, but make it a precedent binding in all of their cases. So it's an inherently unfair system when the individual who appoints the judges who aren't independent in the first place can then go in and change results. So there's no other court in America that I think operates in this manner. In fact, you probably would describe this as a third world configuration or a dictatorship's configuration of what a court system might look like.
Our immigration system needs change badly, and it will take a lot to get there, but you can make a difference. To learn more about this issue, as well as many other immigrant-related topics, follow us on social media @ImmigrantFood, join our newsletter where each week we send you 5 ways that you can make a difference, and join us inside the restaurant to stay united at the table. See you guys next month.